So know your average commission. Okay. Know how much of your business is going to come from listings versus buyers. Guys, stop being high-eyed real estate agents and being pie in the sky and trying to put these exorbitant numbers. You know 70% of your business is not going to be listings. Okay? Give a realistic number so you can work your butt off to get there. I care about y'all being successful. Okay? So 30%, whatever your number is coming from listings and buyers, you know your business. If I was a brand new real estate agent, I don't even know how to do listings. My number would be 20%, 80-20. That's what it would be. If I was a seasoned real estate agent like myself, it'd probably be 40% listings, 6% buyers, something like that. Right? Okay. All right. This thing will start to calculate it for you once you start putting in your numbers. Right? We got one for the loan officers. We also have one for real estate agents. Then it'll break it down for you. I will sell on the listing side. It tells you, I know that blank of my listings will sell. How many of your listings will sell?
Half.
What percentage?
50.
Should be more than that.
Yeah,
Should-
like 85.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, if you have a listing, you should be selling more than 50% of your listings. You know, a certain percentage, 80% of your listings should sell. You shouldn't be taking listings that are not going to sell, right? The purpose of getting a listing is to do what? Come on.
Buyers.
Get more buyers and get more sellers. We had a listing Jill posted and we ended up canceling, but guess what? I still got 3 buyers off of it. I got one I got to give you out today that's already pre-approved and wants to see your house, right? The whole purpose of a listing is to get more listings, to get more buyers. It's not to sell the home because you can't control the outcome of selling a home. Only thing you control the outcome or action of is the marketing behind it. And your marketing should be able to generate more buyers and sellers. All right.
We got 2 people on the loan side for that listing also.
Absolutely. Pick up 2 on the loan side, 2 on the buy side. Oh, that's $40,000 for $160,000 lifting in commissions.